Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into both Speedman and Taskade, then link the same email so data flows. Once done, enable calendar access and push notifications. This keeps deadlines visible. Make sure to choose a project structure that matches your workflow, lists for tasks, boards for stages, outlines for notes, because consistency matters. You'll also set default tags and a sync folder. This prevents duplicates and keeps both tools reflecting the same priorities as you begin real work. Now you build the living workflow. Create or import tasks in Speedman, tag priority and context so filtering works. Then mirror those tasks into Taskade using the import or integration feature, picking templates or views that fit your team. Once mirrored, set automations, reminders, recurring schedules, and webhook triggers so updates propagate automatically. If you need conditional behavior, add simple rules. This reduces manual copying and keeps both boards current without extra effort from you. Finish by running a sync test. Edit a task in Speedman and confirm Taskade reflects that change within moments. If all looks good, adjust sharing permissions and invite collaborators so everyone has correct access. Monitor the first 48 hours for missed updates and tweak automations. If sync fails, first reauthorize the integration, then inspect webhook logs and API limits. Often a token renewal or rate limit adjustment resolves it quickly. Finally, document the fix so you can prevent repeat issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.